Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application for it, or we can use gestures. Let's get started by use the application. Open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have right now. Just for a second, this one. Right here we need to click the equalizer icon at the left bottom. Right here we have it. And here it is, we have ambient sound control. So to enable transparency mode, just click on it, and as you can see, we just enable. To disable it, you can swap to ANC mode or to a normal mode. But as I said previous, we can also use gestures, and to swap on transparency mode, we should use left earbud. At the back side, and here at the top, we have SOUNDPEATS logo, and this is actually a touch area, so you need to press and hold on it to swap between this ambient control mode. If you use normal mode, press and hold on it and you will swap first to ANC. If you use ANC or you just swap to ANC, press and hold again and you will enable transparency mode. Here we go. And to disable this mode, just swap to another one. So press and hold on it at the left earbud. And as you can see, we just did it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!